Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 C300 4MATIC. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch split 5-spoke wheels. Black MBTEX interior with a burl walnut wood trim. Panorama sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate. We've got a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Memory seats, heated steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. The C-Class has 51,379 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.